fucking red. Oh, fucking hell. At the very least, someone was seriously injured back there. I don't know, 2 lanes closed up here, so maybe more than one vehicle or more than 2 vehicles were involved up here. Something shiny over here, something big.
Look, what the fuck is this?
That's a fucking commercial driver too. Like he's an airport driver. Racing. Look at that skid mark. Fucking idiots. What the fuck is child's lives don't matter? Don't get yourself all caught up in that bullshit. Yeah, run the red light, dickhead. Holy fucking red, dickhead. Get a fucking child on there. Twice now. That's red, fuckbag. What a fuck. Motherfucker, someone invented my idea and they don't even know they invented my... That was really red. Like, totally red. For some reason. They do fucking want to make money for some reason. They do everything to not make money. Yes, fucking clown. I'm pretty sure it closes at like midnight.
It does.
What are you doing? Go! Like, what the fuck was that? Like, just fucking caught in headlights? Like,
yeah.
Give your license up if that's how you think driving should be. Fuck. Completely nullified coming through here.
Would have been awesome if you tried turning left here too. I would have loved that.
Go! What the fuck? Holy Jesus, shit sticks. Go! Go! Someone's going on fucking YouTube for sure. There's like nobody in the lane she's turning into. Now there is. Let's go! Come on! Jesus fucking Christ. Nice, asshole, nice.
Wow, impressive. 2 idiots back to back.
I do think this is a great home for entertainment.